just needs a punch and good to keep it from him. That's the second holding call in this half on Simmons. Second and 20.
Well said, Jim.
What's the name of the matter?
Well, that was the play where I said you had a chance at a touchdown, and that means no touchdown.
Pump fake, step it up, take it off. Overshown, able to knock the ball out of his hands in the battle of the 903s.
Look at you area coding things.
That's Overshown having a little chat there. He went to Art High School in Tyler, while Patrick went to White House High School, and Overshown grew up with his younger brother Jackson. And he couldn't wait for this matchup. And again, he said to get a sack on Mahomes in this game, it's mandatory. He almost got a forced fumble. It was a forced fumble, but goes out of bounds.
I call him the eraser.
Yeah.
He's the eraser. He makes up for mistakes for other people and just figures out how to get it done.
There are 2,000 play, both by each team. Illegal formation, offense number 71. Illegal use of the hands, illegal contact, correction, illegal contact, defense, number 34. Both fouls will offset. Replay second down.
So Overshown, yeah, he got the force fumble, was trying to get a takeaway, but all things wash out here for a second down and 20.
Well, this is actually a really unique situation right here. Where's Booker's line, right? Where can he kick from indoors? You got to assume the 40 he'll take a chance, even the 45. No sacks. Trying to see if he's zone. No one runs in with him. So it's zone. You can check the ball down with something inside.
Quick toss over to Worthy. Cowboys holding to a short game as Bridges is there waiting for him. Yeah, you see the target line. That marks the point of what would be Butker's career long, a 62-yarder.
Wow. That's a great line, man. I like that. Basically, where he's kicked his longest field goal. That is exactly where that line should be. I like that.
Jawan Taylor, by the way, just came to the sideline, the right tackle, holding an elbow. He's ran an elbow. Jalen Moore comes in for him, and it's 3rd and 16.
Watch out. This is Quinn Williams territory right here. They're new. After the trade, 2 games played, he's been dominant in these situations.
Mahomes able to slip out of it. Still has it. They got a flag on the field. Right on the sideline. And the chief sideline was calling for that.
Well, this is